So in this video, we are going to learn how to use the library at Charisma University. So you were given already Charisma University library login details in your Charisma login email. So that is what you're going to use to sign in to the library. How do we access the library? Go straight to charismauniversity.edu.eu, the university website. Then in the right-hand corner, the top right-hand corner, there's a library icon. That is what you're going to click on. Then you're going to get the login page. And using your login details that you should already have, go ahead and type in your username and your password and then click login. Okay, so now how do we use the library to, let's say, find journals? Okay, what you're gonna do first is go ahead in the left-hand column right here, we're gonna go to start your research. Okay, then you're going to get to a page where it has a bunch of specific categories for databases and different topics or subjects for you that you may need to get information for. So give me a topic. Blockchain in healthcare. Okay. So let's go down here to the healthcare category and let's see if we could find some sort of information on blockchain in healthcare. In this, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through these different databases within the health and medical category and choose one that we think is closest to our topic, which is blockchain in healthcare, right? I would say maybe advanced technologies would probably be best suited for that topic. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to come to this page. So what you're going to do is go ahead and type in your keywords. We want blockchain in healthcare, right? So we're going to type in blockchain. We could say blockchain in healthcare, or we could just start typing in keywords that would help us with our search. So you could type in blockchain, then +, healthcare, maybe +, records, if that's where you think you're going with this. Now, before you hit the search button, decide if you want full text or maybe, or, you know, what do you want or not want in your search results. I'm assuming that you probably want the full text because you want full articles to read through to use information for your classwork, right? So what I would say before you hit search is make sure you click on full text and then click search. And then you're going to get a wide variety of different journals and also books that have to do with your topic, right? Now, if you want to narrow down your search even more, what you can do is you can look in the left-hand column, and these are different ways you can that the search results are organized. So you can even, let's say we only want to read articles that are peer reviewed. Well, you can go over here and click in that icon, and that will refresh your page and give you only articles that are peer reviewed. And it looks like it eliminated one of our search results, which is good. So it narrowed it down a little bit more. And then you can go through here and figure out what you want to read, or if you want to read all of them, whatever you want to do. search results. Let's see what our options are, just in case you wanted to download this entire article so you can review it later. You can go ahead and do that. You can download a PDF to that. You can also click on the icon, click on the site icon, right? And then that will give you that will give you the citation that you can actually copy and paste and put into your work, so you don't have to do this yourself. Then you can email this article to yourself or to anyone else who you think that could benefit from it. You can print it out, and then let's look under all options. So you can also save this under your Google Drive, your Microsoft OneDrive. You have options to save your research within your account on an LIRN. You can also get a citation report for this as well. Yeah, and you can download different forms of this article. So you can get yourself a PDF, an Excel, you can get it in an Excel format, a Word document format, or just straight text. So I would recommend playing around with this and checking out all of the options that you have, but those are some basic ones. So let's say we want to look for ebooks in healthcare. Okay, now go back to the library page, which is where we are right now. And go through this health and medical category, and we're going to look for a database that has ebooks. Okay. And it looks like we have Gale ebooks right here for us. So go ahead and click on that. And now we're at the Gale ebooks homepage. Okay, now how do we find the right ebooks that we want to look for? Go ahead and type something into the search. So if we're still going for blockchain, maybe we should just type in blockchain up here, and you can even add in another keyword if you want. Make sure it's in healthcare, and then go ahead and hit enter or click search. And then here are your search results. You can go ahead and go through whatever they've provided for you right here. Okay, so let's say you click on an ebook, and for you, it would be way more convenient to hear the ebook instead of read it yourself. So what you can do is you can click on this icon right here that says listen. It's like the volume looking icon. Click on it, and it will actually play an audio.
Signal processing, statistical modeling, education, calling, India.
So you can listen to it as well. Now, for sure, I know that all the Gale databases have this feature. So if you ever want to just listen to your ebook or even listen to your journal that you got from Gale, that is a good option. Also, if you wanted to, on the right-hand side, there's print, download, email, save it to your Microsoft OneDrive, and also saving something to your Google Drive as well. So you can go ahead and save these articles or these ebooks to pretty much anything that you got, because it looks like they have them all. They got you covered.